So as an FX trader, there's one thing you want to do. You want to cut out the noise from social media because social media has a lot of deception. Most people don't understand. They take everything they see on social media as real. There are so many edited screenshots that you see on social media, and if you're not careful, to put you under pressure to start doing what you're not supposed to do. Most of you guys had no idea what flipping is. Not until you started seeing videos of people telling you they flipped $10 to 1,000 USD and all of that. But they failed to tell you how many times they failed before they were able to get one flip. So you see, what helped me when I started was that I had to disconnect from so many channels, even on Telegram, even on YouTube. Whatever channel that seems to show you more of results and the process, I don't think you should be there. So work on that. Cut out the social media noise and you start seeing stability.